Hey guys, this is Bhavna Sehgal here, and if you are new here, welcome to Bhavna Sehgal Makeovers. And I am coming again with my another video. This video is going to be about skincare. So let's start. If you do it CTMP every day, it is very good for your skin. And if you do it CTMP before makeup, then your makeup stays for a long lasting. If you use anything on your face, then use this thing keeping in mind what type of skin you have. First step, cleanser. You have to clean your face. You can clean your face whatever you like. So guys, I clean my face with my face wash. Next step, toner. The very first thing you apply after cleansing your skin thoroughly is a toner. Its watery consistency gets easily absorbed into the skin, instantly reviving it. But it's important to use one that's specific to your skin type. Moisturizer. Before you applying your makeup, take the time to prepare your skin with a high quality moisturizer. Choosing the right kind of moisturizer is a crucial piece of the puzzle. Let's take a look at the different types you can use, lightest to heaviest. Serums. This is a lightweight solution that easily absorbed by the skin. There are a wide assortment of serums designed to target specific problem areas. Some serums help you moisturize the skin to prevent wrinkles, while others contain ingredients that may add brightness to dull complex. Lotion. Lotion are the most common type of moisturizer and can benefit a variety of skin types. Option for lotion that are labeled as non-comedogenic. These products are designed to avoid closing the pores. Creams. If your dry skin needs extra help, it might be time to invest in a cream moisturizer. This is a thicker, heavier solution that can hydrate excessively dry complex. Day cream can be used as a base under your makeup, but night creams are designed to give your skin as extra dose of moisturizer while you sleep. Oils. If you need further moisturizing, consider oils. Certain oil can be a great option for those with dry, sensitive or normal skin. However, if you're acne prone or struggle with oily skin, avoid oil moisturizing product. Primer. Now that your skin is well moisturized, prepare your face with primer. Whether you are planning on applying a light coat of foundation or a full face of makeup, primer is an important first step. Using primer under your makeup will make your look last longer. So what exactly is primer? Think of primer as a base for your foundation or face makeup that will help it go on smoother and last longer. Primers are silky smooth gels and cream that fill in the lines and pores on your face, smoothing out uneven texture and creating the ideal canvas for your makeup. If you want to apply primer to the sensitive skin around your eyelids, be sure to find a dedicated product for this area of the face. Our eyelids can collect grease throughout the day, causing a creased look in eyeshadow or eyeliner. Without primer, application may prove to be patchy and uneven.